Hi everyone. Are you ready to get your LTO student license? Whether you're a first-time applicant or just starting your driving journey, this video will walk you through the 2025 updated process. Let's make this easy and stress-free. Let's go. First, let's talk about the requirements. Here's what you'll need to prepare before heading to the LTO office. Don't worry. All the links to official forms and resources are in the description below. You'll need 1. A duly accomplished application form. You can download it from the LTO website or get it at the LTO office. 2. The original and a photocopy of a valid government-issued ID. 3. A taxpayer identification number or TIN, if you're employed or self-employed. 4. A medical certificate issued by an LTO-accredited clinic. 5. And finally, prepare around 317 pesos for the application fee. This amount may change, so check the LTO website for updates. Once you have all the requirements, head to your nearest LTO office. Here's the step-by-step process you'll go through. Step 1. Submit your requirements. Go to the customer service counter and hand in your documents. They'll check if everything is complete. Step 2. Take the written exam. You'll be given a test covering road rules, traffic signs, and driving etiquette. Study the LTO driver's manual to ace this. The exam is usually multiple choice, and you need to score at least 13 out of 15 to pass. Step 3. Pay the fees. Once you pass the exam, proceed to the cashier to pay the necessary fees. Keep your receipt. Step 4. Get your photo and signature taken. Head to the encoding section for your photo and digital signature. Smile. Step 5. Receive your student license. After completing all the steps, you'll receive your LTO student license. Congratulations, you're now one step closer to becoming a licensed driver. And that's it. Your LTO student license is valid for 1 year, and you can use it to practice driving with a licensed companion. Remember, this is just the beginning of your driving journey, so always follow traffic rules and drive safely. Before we end, here are some quick tips to make your LTO experience smoother. Don't forget to check the description for all the official links and resources. Tip 1. Check the LTO portal. Visit the official LTO website for the latest updates and requirements. Tip 2. Come early. LTO offices can get crowded, so arrive as early as possible. Tip 3. Dress comfortably. You'll be standing in line for a while, so wear something comfy. Tip 4. Bring snacks and water, just in case the process takes longer than expected. Tip 5. Study for the exam. Review the LTO driver's manual to ace the written test. Thanks for watching.